Digital tools for tracking business vendor payments can save you time, improve accuracy, and prevent costly mistakes. But if you're like most business owners, you've probably struggled with managing all the different invoices, payments, and schedules. You might have tried manual tracking methods, only to end up with spreadsheets full of errors, or even worse, missed payments. Trust me, I've been there, and today I'm going to show you how to use digital tools to fix that once and for all. Before we dive in, let me tell you why this is crucial. Vendor payments can make or break your business relationships. If you fail to track your payments properly, you risk late fees, loss of trust, or worse, lost vendors. But the good news is, digital tools are here to solve this problem. And no, I'm not trying to sell you anything. This isn't a video full of affiliate links. I'm just here to give you the real deal on how to make vendor payment tracking simple and effective. Let's get into it. For the first reason, I want to talk about automation. Manually tracking payments is not only a time waster, but also a headache. Automated tools can sync with your bank accounts, your invoicing system, and your payment platforms to track everything in real time. You'll never have to manually input numbers or risk double paying a vendor again. Think about it. A tool that automatically detects when payments have been made, matches them with the right vendor, and updates your financial records for you. That's a game changer. But here's where it gets even better. You can also set up reminders and due date alerts. This means you'll be notified well in advance about upcoming payments. No more scrambling to find an invoice you misplaced or stressing about whether you've paid a vendor on time. This level of control and peace of mind is something that manual methods can't give you. Next, let's talk about reporting. With digital tools, you can instantly generate reports to see how much you've paid to each vendor, how much you owe, and even identify patterns in your payment behavior. This gives you valuable insights into your cash flow. Are you overspending in one area? Are there vendors you should renegotiate terms with? A simple report can answer all these questions. And it's not just about tracking payments. It's about the ability to compare vendor terms and costs across the board. Digital tools let you do this seamlessly. You can get a quick glance at who offers the best terms and identify the most cost-effective solutions. This is the kind of data that will allow you to make smarter decisions for your business. Now, here's an important nugget I need you to pay attention to. The best tools for this job also integrate with your accounting software. This is huge because it ensures that your vendor payment data is always up to date, accurate, and ready for tax season. Trust me, if you're still entering this info manually into your accounting system, you're setting yourself up for headaches later on. But there's one more thing you absolutely need to consider. Vendor relationships are built on trust, and trust starts with transparency. By using digital tools to track your payments, you're not only keeping your finances organized, but also building stronger, more trustworthy relationships with your vendors. When they see that you're on top of your payments and that everything is clearly documented, they'll appreciate it, and that can lead to better deals, discounts, or even more flexible terms. If you're serious about improving your vendor payment process, investing in the right tools is a no-brainer. The right tool can transform your business by saving you time, avoiding mistakes, and even providing valuable insights that you didn't have access to before. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe. Support content that's not incentivized by affiliate commissions, just real, actionable advice that helps your business grow.